Kill me. Kill me. Well, here we are for another wheelie video. This is like the third one now, I think. So today we're going to put our feet on the pegs. I know I said that last time, but this time we're definitely doing it because I'm not going to be a wimp. I got my trainers on, so I tried it with the boots, and obviously they're a bit new, so getting the feel of it is a bit So I thought I'd put some trainers on. A little bit worried about it because last time I kind of tried a wheelie and I bailed out. The bike kind of landed awkwardly on me and I hurt my foot. So I don't know. I've just been on Instagram live asking you lot about what gear to be in. So the majority of people said second with a rolling start. A lot of you said full pinned, pop the clutch. I don't know why everyone wants me to hurt myself, but it seems to be like a thing. I mean, I just want a bit of support, you know, I'm trying to learn here. Anyway, let's try a rolling start in second gear. I might do some brake drills first, and then we kind of just ease into it. But today is the day I'm gonna get to balance point with feet on the pegs. You heard it here first. Right, feet on the pegs today, boys. Feet on the pegs. Second gear, little pop, get my foot over that brake, rolling start, sit back, don't break a fender. Let's do it. Okay, that was terrible. Okay, alright. It's just the speed I have a problem with. It picks up speed a lot. I mean, obviously you're in second gear, so I just need to pull in that clutch a little bit more. Kind of drag the brake, maybe, the back brake. Right. I'm engaging the throttle and the clutch at the exact wrong time. Let's get up to date here. The problem I'm having is a rolling start, but I've got to put my finger on the front brake, foot on the back brake, on the back brake, and pop it. So I've got to kind of come to a stop, which is the trainers are helping massively, but the rest of it is going to pop pretty quick. I can't engage the clutch in second gear with the throttle because it doesn't come up enough, and then in first gear it's like too much. I mean, I just don't know where to go from here. This wheelie thing, it's hard on your own, you know. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, but it's just tough. It's tough. See if I can just get a bit comfortable with the clutch. Maybe do a circle wheelie. Look at me talking like I can just do circle wheelies, like. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm used to popping the clutch in second. Okay, that was a bit too aggressive. I think we could all agree. Again, aggressive. I'm very aggressive. There we go, that was the brake. Right, I'll try them first with the feet on the pegs. Don't try this at home, kids. Yeah, I'm getting too heavy on the brake. I'm not going to lie, I'm absolutely shit myself when it gets up there. That's why I'm hammering on the brake. I need to, okay, maybe loosen up that back brake a bit, kind of get a feel for it. Okay. Oh, see? See, now that was way too aggressive. I just smashed that brake. I'm going to come over the handlebars in a minute. One of the main problems I already know I'm doing is I'm not leaning back far enough with my arms straight because it's really scary, that's why. So I'm going to have to try that. If the fender goes, the fender goes. Sit further back. Oh, okay, that was alright. Okay, I rode that back brake a little bit further that time. It's so much easier in trainers, like feeling that back brake. I'll have to upgrade to boots, but I'm leaning a bit further back. It's going alright so far. Okay, we got there. So we're getting to balance point, just absolutely cacking my pants on the back brake. Whoa, that nearly went. Okay, that was a bit better. got to keep that going a bit longer. It's like you got to keep doing it and keep doing it so you can just get the clutch right. And once it's drilled in your head, it should be alright. Oh! Kill me! Kill me! Well, we all knew that was going to happen, didn't we? Well, yeah. Don't go mad. I'm holding it in. I know the neighbours are absolutely loving this. Motherfuckers. Well, you got what you wanted, didn't you? I mean, well, at least I can do it now without worrying. It looks alright, you know. Well, I mean, it's lucky I got a spare one. I mean, I might just leave it off, you know, and just keep practicing without it on. I'm absolutely raging right now. Just at myself. Not, I mean, that's just plastic, but... Oh my god, kill me. Is there anything I can punch? Oh. Well, it happened, didn't it? It happened. I mean, they're quite durable, but I actually snapped the black bit. I have to get another one. Well, at least this makes it easier for wheelies. Now I don't have a fender. But hey, that's the way it goes. Absolutely fuming at myself, but it was inevitable. KTM, keep taking money.